Most sales databases are already outdated before you even log in. Welcome back to Seamless University. In this lesson, we're going to show you exactly how Seamless verifies contact data in real time using Find and Autopilot so your team can focus on selling instead of researching. By the way, subscribe to the channel for more sales and AI training. And if you want to try out Seamless for free, click the first link in the description below. Let's jump in.
But what I do here now is I'm going to now find my contacts. The first thing I want to highlight is you see here up here at the top that says add to list. So this is our default list. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and select, I already had a list created. I'll select this as my default list. That'll show marketing manager in Tennessee. So now anytime I research these contacts in our two-step search and research process, this will automatically tag those contacts. So as you scroll over here, you can see I have a bunch of information already showing around the persona and the firmographic data, but there is certain information that is hidden. There's the emails, the phones, some of that information that in order to get that, I click this find button. We do that because we real-time research all this contact information. So we're doing a real-time search, and then immediately when you find the contact, we're then doing a real-time research on these contacts. So there's a two-step algorithm that actually makes this much more powerful and the data much more clean and fresh. So I'm going to start by clicking find a few times. You'll see what happens here. We'll go into research, and those are immediately going through millions of data points across 100 different record pieces, and it's pulling back the contact information and the additional persona information for these contacts, again, in real time. If I want to research those more efficiently, I can do multiple things. I could click find all. So I'll go ahead and click find all. You can see those all immediately go into researching and all start flipping over. Again, this is real-time research that's happening within seconds and fractions of seconds. I can also, with 8,000 contacts, click begin autopilot. I can name my autopilot search. This is going to run through the entire search automatically for me. I can select how many contacts I want, up to either the total amount of searches of records available in that search, or the total contacts that I have available. A contact equals a credit. So every single time I use a credit, I am researching a full contact, emails, phones, everything associated to that contact. So as I do that, you see now I have 50 contacts that I've researched. I can very quickly go to the next page right here, and I will find another 50 contacts. So we'll research those 50 contacts really quickly as well. So you can see there in a matter of literally seconds, I went from search to find, and now I have 100 contacts tagged for my marketing manager Tennessee list. From here, I can do a couple things. I can, go deeper into the contact. I can find more information about this contact. I can hover over it either over here or even in the flyout. I can hover over their email, get a little bit more information. You see the score. This is our total AI score. So it has email validation associated to it as well. So I can see that's a valid email, a very high confidence score, and that relates to our confidence of delivery as you use that email. So we're going to give you not just an email validation, which we do for every record. We're going to give you a confidence score for that as well. So we'll give you additional contact details. We'll give you the ability to manage that contact. You can quickly import it. You can manage the status of that contact if you're using Seamless for engagement. You can see full experience, any education details, any pitch intel, if you have them attached to a campaign, if there's job changes, their time in role, their time in their company. You can see additional information around the company as well. You can see org chart. So if I want to find additional contacts to round out my buyer committee and do a holistic outreach that way, I can come in here, search by seniority, search by department. I can quickly add contacts that way.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for weekly updates and training on how to use AI to automate that pipeline. And in the next lesson, we are going to go over how top reps instantly find the right buyer that is looking for your product right now. We'll see you in lesson 3.